Hey everybody, welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be showing you 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This Super Sport's 13.3 feet overall length, so a great starter boat or a great boat for shallow draft areas back in our creeks, and such a fun boat to drive. And the Super Sport line was redesigned in 2018 from the keel up for Boston Whaler's 60th anniversary. They did a great job on this boat. Starting on the after the boat, we have two aft swim platforms with sea deck material on them, so it makes it real easy to get on and off this boat. We also have a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke, which there's plenty of motor for this boat. You can get up on plane really quickly with the boat loaded out with people and all your beach stuff, and get out and still have a really shallow draft with a 9-inch draft. So they also, when you come up here, have a waterproof and lockable storage locker on top of the helm, and then a nice separated anchor locker as well. I have a 6.5 gallon fuel tank, so plenty of fuel with this boat to get you around all week and not have to worry about filling up. And it's just a really easy spray and go boat, and it's such a fun boat, and it really holds its value as well as Boston Whaler's known to do. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call. Chris Honig, again, 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.